household private home gymnasium. Helps you to keep relaxed from stressful life and work. On this treadmill and exercise with it, you will lead healthier and happier life. Large and heavy-duty construction. Driven by a 2.5 horsepower impulse max motor, 18 inches by 50 inches big rubber running bell, 5 inches LCD Blu-ray display, foldable design with built-in transport wheels for easy transport and storage, considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder, adjustable speed levels from 0 to 11 miles per hour, 12 preset workout programs for your quickly access, adjustable feet,